In this video, I'm going to review Hostinger as a hosting platform and to host your website. And just to be sure that I'm going to give you two additional bonus discount links through which you can get amazing discounts on Hostinger. So you have to stay with me because in this video, I will give a detailed review and opinion on should you go and buy hosting from Hostinger or not. So first thing first, Hostinger is one of the oldest hosting company, but however they gained momentum in 2015, and ever since then they became an internet sensation. And with their huge advertising, people now prefer Hostinger as one of the hosting platform. But why people prefer it, I will answer in this video. Okay, there are a few things which you need to know, and that is their ratings. If you ask for their ratings, you can see that on Trustpilot they are being rated as 4.6. Usually, I have seen many hosting companies, be it HostGator, be it Bluehost, be it any other hosting company. None of the hosting company was able to achieve this rating score on Trustpilot. So you can say that they have an amazing ratings on Trustpilot. Even on Google, 4.8 is a very good ratings out of 5. And if you see on 1237 reviews claiming this means that definitely have something good. And on advice they are being rated as 4.5, and on WP Beginner they are being rated as 4.7. But if you ask me on why people rate them in such a good numbers, is because of their amazing hosting service. Now, when it comes to amazing hosting service, what is the meaning of amazing hosting service? There are few things which we need to know on why they are being called amazing. First of all, their pricing. For the link I'm going to give you in the description is going to give you amazing discount when you buy hosting from Hostinger, and then I will give you even further discount coupons through which you can get further discounts. That is the first thing, and that is their pricing. The second thing is that they have data centers all around the world. You can host your website in USA, you can host your website in UK, you can host your website in France, you can host your website in India, you can host your website in Singapore, Brazil, and European locations. So because they have data centers all around the world, very few companies have this option available, that you have an option to choose any other country as your data center. Now, when you register a domain with them or when you buy hosting from them, you also get a personal domain name for free. This is not an exceptional feature. This is a good feature but not exceptional. Why? Because other companies also offer such feature. I agree on this, that other companies also offer such feature, but the speed is very good over here, because they have a light speed web server, they have SSD hosting, and they also give you an additional plugin in case if you're using WordPress with them, which can further enhance your website speed, because I believe that speed is everything, and a second late is a second loss. So you do not have to compromise on speed, because whenever user clicks on your website, we do not want user to think about any other thing except our website. So the quicker your website loads, the better is for you. So they have a very good web hosting speed. And then their support, you have an option of live chat support, you have an email support, and they have a video based guides available on their support system on based on 24/7. So that is also a good add-on. Yeah, other companies also offer 24/7, but the issue is quick resolving of your issue. And I have seen that my issues on Hostinger have been quickly resolved. Based on my personal experience of 2 years, I can say that my issues were resolved earlier, quicker, and at a much faster speed, which is why I believe that Hostinger is a good option to offer, because their support is not only 24/7 but also very quicker and faster, and they are willing to help you out, and they can go out of the box to help you out. And then you also have an option of free migration in case if you are hosting at somewhere else and you want a free transfer on Hostinger. They have a free migration service available through which you can easily transfer your website from any other hosting company to Hostinger within just a click of seconds, and their team will help you and guide you. Even they can do the whole setup on behalf of you, and that too at free of cost. And then you see that you also get advanced features like SSL security, free SSL security certificates, and then you get your DDoS attacks with Cloudflare protected name servers, and then you get it 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is very good option. And then in case if you see out reviews, reviews are amazing. So what you have to do is you have to click on the link in the description, which will be like this, because if you click on this link you are going to get amazing discounts. And I will now discuss some of their hosting plans with you, hosting options with you. And then I will also show you their HI panel, which is again a very good option. So in case if you even if you want to host WordPress hosting, I recommend you to go with web hosting, because web hosting is cheaper option to go with web at Hostinger, and you can even host WordPress websites on it as well. So in case if you click on a web hosting plan, you are being presented with three plans. Single web hosting plan, which is $1.99 per month. Premium web hosting plan, which is $2.99. You are going to get this amazing prices through the link in the description, and then I will even give you a further discount. And the third is business web hosting at $3.99 per month. Now you can see that the single web hosting plan you are going to save 80%, and now I will even give you an additional code which can give you further discount. So the thing is that at the single web hosting plan everything is good, but what I don't like over here is that you don't get a free domain and you get a weekly backups. Even in this plan you also get weekly backups, but in case if your business is huge and you cannot compromise on this, you can opt for business web hosting where you get a daily backups, but weekly backups are fine as well. Here you don't get a free domain and you can only host one website. So many people have more than one website nowadays and they want to host multiple websites. So in this plan you do not have an option to host multiple websites. Otherwise this plan is fine. 50 GB SSD storage is sufficient. You get 100 GB bandwidth as well, which is sufficient for any hosting any website requirements. But in case if you host multiple websites, or in case if you plan to host multiple websites, then you can opt for this premium web hosting plan, which they recommend as well. And in this personal web hosting there is also one further drawback, and that is you can have one email account, which I think is way less. So you should opt for a free in this plan, because in this plan you get free email addresses. You do not have any limit. And then again you have an option of manage WordPress, and you get 30 days money back guarantee in all of the plans. 30 days money back guarantee, and then you get a 24/7 support and 99.9% uptime guarantee in all of the plans. Okay, so let's say if you're going to offer this plan, if we opt for this plan, now I'm going to give you two amazing coupons, but these coupons are only valid if you click on the link in the description, which is which is like this. So with this link you are going to get two amazing coupons. Let's say if you offer this plan, and they have multiple payment options. You can pay through credit card, you can pay through PayPal, you can pay through Google Pay, you can pay through Alipay, you can pay through CoinGate. In case if you have crypto, you can pay through CoinGate. Now what you have to do is add this coupon code, write Ali Raza marketing. Okay, once you write it, you can see that you even got a further discount on the existing already discounted price. Now I'm going to give you another coupon code. Okay, you can see that this coupon even gave you further 10% discount. So it's an amazing, what you were paying for at $575 went to $129. So amazing discount. So these coupons are valid in case if you click on the link in the description, and so that you can get this amazing discounts. So yeah, overall it's a very amazing hosting platform. I will also show you a glimpse of their control panel because I have been using it personally. Let me show you that as well. Okay, so here I am in their each panel. Here's an option of managing my email addresses. I can manage all of my emails through their email panel. I also get a building option with their hosting their website builder for their free website building solution. and you do not even need any coding or design skills to get your website done. And here is my free domain which is still pending, and here's an option of managing my business web hosting. If you compare their control panel with the cPanel, I believe that Hostinger panel is quite easier for anyone to learn and install things. cPanel is slightly complicated and this one is in slightly easier, but again, with functionalities you get with the cPanel, there is no match for it. But Hostinger HPanel is quite competitive. It's going to give a tough time to cPanel because it is being loaded with many of the plugins. And then what I like a lot about is that easiness to use. Now you can see that here my daily backups, my free emails, my domain, my business web hosting, and then they are continuously monitoring for my website speed timings, and then they are continuously monitoring my website for malware scanner. And that I got an amazing 1.7 second amazing response time, and I still have to install their light speed panel which can further enhance my speed, website speed. They are saying that you have some vulnerable WordPress plugins detected, so their support is amazingly fast. Like, they have detected and they are going to tell me how I can move it. I can manage my hosting, I can manage my performance, I can manage my security, I can manage domains, I can manage website, I can manage everything through that. And even installing something over here is very easy. I have an option of auto installer, I have an option of logo maker. So I mean, in case I have installed WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, or other any platform, I can just install with a click of a button, like select this, and then they are asking the website title name. First stuff, I name it as a title name, and then I can select my path where I want to load. I just have to click on this button. So it's amazing. Let's say I write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. So to let you know, and I can now install with a click of a button. So installing through their installer is also very easy and quicker and easier. So yeah, overall it's amazing platform. And once again, in case if you wanna buy hosting from Hostinger, you have to follow the link in the description, which will be like this, through which you can get amazing discount at Hostinger. If you ask me, I am personally using it, and which is why I even showed you how my HPanel. So I've been using it, I'm satisfied, and which is why I recommend you to buy hosting from Hostinger as well. And good luck, and thank you, and bye bye.